And we're live at the Window Olympics. Which one will fail first?
In today's disposable society, quality often takes a back seat. When windows become old, they can let in moisture, leading to rotting and structural damage. Improper installation can be just as damaging. Cutting corners today can cost you a lot tomorrow. A window or door that's not properly installed or has outlived its lifespan can cause serious issues. Look for signs like rot on the bottom of door jambs, exposed wood in framing, or misaligned doors and windows. These are early warning signs that deterioration has begun and require immediate attention. At Landmark Windows and Doors, we don't just replace your windows and doors. We do so with care, ensuring proper installation to prevent future issues. We never leave exposed wood that could swell or rot, and our work is built for durability and long-lasting performance. With the Landmark Guarantee, you can trust that our quality and commitment will protect your home for its lifetime. Invest in your home's future. Choose Landmark Windows and Doors for solutions that stand the test of time.